Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Patil. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am presenting a science experiment. For this experiment, the materials are stick, thread and two balloons. Fill some water in the two balloons. When we blow the air between the two balloons like this, as you see, the balloons move because of the air pressure between the two balloons. Thank you. My name is Rudra Patil. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am presenting a science experiment. For this experiment, the materials are bottle and paper ball. When we blow air in the bottle like this, so you see the paper ball is out because the wind speed increases and it creates low pressure area at the mouth of the bottle. As the air pressure is higher inside the bottle, the paper ball pushes out. Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Patil. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am presenting a science experiment. For this experiment, the material is paper strip. When we blow the air with paper strip in the mouth like this, the wind speed over the upper surface of the paper strip increases, decreasing the air pressure over the top of the paper. The air pressure below the paper is then higher in comparison. This difference in air pressure pushes the paper strip upwards. Thank you.